Hi, Jed here from GDK Veneering. Today I've been uploading multiple videos on different wood sets. We're going to upload about 4 or 5 over the weekend, different wood sets. Some of these wood sets may be yours, as they all are customers, but on this particular video I want to do it on a Bentley Turbo R door cappings. So there's 4 Bentley Turbo R door cappings, and the common thing with them is the lacquer coming off the top. So you'll see it like this, and it all chips off, and it'll be on your arms, and you can see that. Watch that, listen to this, and that's what it does. So this lacquer was original from Bentley and Rolls-Royce and things like that. Obviously it's been on this car for a lot of years. The sun, moisture, everything has all got to it, so it will do this if it's original. Now if it's original, when it comes to us at GDK Veneering, it is easier for us to work on them with the original lacquer doing this. So basically, if it's like this, and say you've tried to tidy it up yourself, you've picked all this off, and then you've put a varnish on it, or you've put a 2-pack lacquer on it, or something like that, it is actually harder for us to remove that than what it is this original lacquer. So therefore, that means that the veneer is going to be sanded more and more times, and there's more chance of the veneer rubbing through to the bare wood underneath. Then they need to be reveneered, but obviously it won't be one that needs to be reveneered, it'll be all 4. So it's going to cost you a lot more money than if it was that you just give us a call or text or something, get a price from ourselves. Then it's up to you. If you want to have a go yourself, that's fine. So on this particular one, like I said, it's all coming off, all clicking off like that. Also, another sign is all this milkiness. When it starts going milky, even in little tiny patches, you know that it's on its way and it's starting to lift off. So once that starts, it's only going to get worse, and it'll get worse and worse until it ends up like the top on these Bentley door cappings. So that's one of them. I've shown you that. And of course, another common thing, the little pieces of wood that are on the bottom there, you can see that they normally fall off, so we have to remake them. So if it is the case it's coming off, do what this customer's done, put a bit of tape around there, and we can glue that piece back into place. This is one of the other door cappings. You see it's all gone there again, but believe it or not, these are actually going to come up like new once again, once we've worked our magic on it. Yet again, the other one, you get the normal chip marks in it that are all over it. I don't know if you can see them or not, but it's where the seatbelt flings off and smacks against the door cappings. It puts loads and loads of little dents in there, like all along the top especially. And the last door capping is the one that looks like this. Now what we do is when we strip all this off, we actually lacquer the back as well, so it helps to stop any moisture getting underneath it. And plus, the lacquers we use nowadays are a little bit more advanced than the lacquers they used in them days, because it's got things like UV resistance in. But at the end of the day, if it lasts that long like it has with these, you've well got your money's worth anyway. Like I said, if you're thinking of doing this, please give us a call or text or whatever. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Please click like, share and tell your friends, and have a really nice weekend. Bye bye for now.